Hey there, everyone. Today on this channel, I'll show you how to install a server manager. Yes, Server Management Studio. To do this, open your browser. Type SSMS download here. There you go. And go to the very first site. Then click Download SQL Management Studio 22 inches and open the installation file. Click Yes, click Next. It'll install VS Code. Well, actually just Visual Studio. Alright, select everything here. Yeah, everything that's applicable. I don't need that particular option. Then click Install. Okay, and after installing, click the Start button. And there you have it. We've successfully installed SQL Server Management Studio. That's all. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.